Hello folks, it's that time again for What's for Supper Wednesday, and today we're going to be using what's left from the pork loin that we made the barbecue with the other day. We're going to be having pork chops, brown sugar pork chops, fast, easy, think you're going to like them. Now just all you got to do is slice off however thick you want your pork chops to be. Now you can buy them already pre-sliced in the store. Looks like we're going to have to sharpen that knife up there. But just cut them off however thick you want them. I think you're going to like this recipe pretty good. It's fast, easy, and it's delicious. Alrighty. Go ahead and get your oven preheated to 350. Now, say you get home from work one evening, if you already got some in a pack cut up, you're that much farther ahead. Alright, now I'm just going to get some tin foil and line a cookie sheet up with it. And brown sugar, butter, soy sauce. That's all we need. All right. Put you about a tablespoon of sugar on top of each one. A little bit less if you want. Totally up to you. Alrighty. Now what we're going to do, we're going to cut us off a little bit of butter. Lay that on top of there, each one of those. Now I am going to tell you folks, this here, the whole pan, it filled up with juice. I spilled just a little bit getting it out. So if you got just a little bit deeper pan, that'd be perfect too. Or just pay attention. Alrighty. Now, take your soy sauce. Just sprinkle it around over through on top here. Alrighty. Now what you're going to do, you're going to take a sheet of tin foil, put over top of this, and we're going to bake it that way for 45 minutes. Then we're going to take it out, take that tin foil off, and then we're going to bake it about 15 more minutes without any cover on top, and you're done. Alrighty, there's the finished product. Folks, them things was tender and juicy. There, Carolyn fixed green beans, mashed taters, and corn. Folks, I'd like to thank y'all for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. And you all have a blessed day. Thank you again for watching.